Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and the page already created. Once you have that, open Facebook on your phone or desktop and go straight to the page. On mobile, tap the Page tab on desktop, click your page from the left or top menus. Make sure you're viewing the official page interface, not a personal profile. Once done, look for the page menu items labeled More, Tools, or Settings. This leads you to the tools that generate the QR code. Now go into the page tools and choose QR code. On mobile, it's often under More, and on desktop, you may find it in Settings or Page Tools. You'll see a live preview. Customize color or frame if Facebook offers those options, because branding helps recognition. After you customize, press Download or Save to export the image file. Make sure the saved file is high resolution, otherwise scanning may fail. Test the file immediately. Finish by saving multiple formats. Keep the original PNG, create a print-ready PDF, and an optimized JPG for posting. Share the QR via message, email, or print it on materials. Make sure you test scans from different phones and camera apps so you know it works universally. If scanning fails, regenerate the QR at higher resolution, remove any logos or overlays that block the pattern, and ensure good contrast between foreground and background. This troubleshooting step fixes most scanning problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.